Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Telegram on your Windows 10 computer. So what you need to do first is open any browser and then search for Telegram and then click on the first link, which is telegram.org. Now scroll down a bit and then here you can see Telegram for PC and Linux. Click on it and then click on Get Telegram for Windows 64. And as you can see here, it is downloading, which may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Okay, the download is complete. Now all you need to do is click on the file here. And let's just minimize the browser. And from here you can select your language and then click on OK. And then from here you can select where you want to install it. I'm just gonna leave it to C drive and then click on next. And then click on next. And if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can keep this checked and then click on next and then click on install. And as you can see, the installation is complete, and if we click on finish, the program will launch. And as you can see, here is Telegram, and let's click on start messaging. And from here you can use your phone and go to your settings, devices, and then scan QR code and then scan this code to log into your account if you already have an account. Or you can also click on login using your phone number, and from here you can select your country and add your phone number and click on next to log in. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.